How to clear cache on MetaMask mobile app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can clear the cache on MetaMask mobile app. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your MetaMask application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once after logging into your account, you will land on this page. In this main screen, you will need to look for the settings icon at the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon and now you will reach to the settings page. In this page, here you'll need to locate security and privacy option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and in this page you will need to scroll to find the options for clearing data. Scroll down until you find this clear privacy data option. You will see the options like clear privacy data, browser history, browser cookies. Now you will need to tap on each of them to confirm and clear the data. Once after tapping on it, you will see this pop-up. Here tap on this clear to confirm. After that, your cache will be cleared. Once after clearing all the cache, now you can close the MetaMask application completely and then reopen it to ensure all changes take effect. So by following these steps, you can effectively clear the cache on your MetaMask mobile application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.